Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and joining me again in the kitchen. In today's recipe, we're gonna make it quick and simple because it's a one-pot recipe. So let's get started. So we're gonna start off with our baby potatoes cut in half, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee and some seasoning salt or salt to taste. And we're going to mix that together until they're nicely coated. Lining a baking pan with some parchment paper, we're going to add the potatoes to the pan, and we're going to put this to roast in the oven at 400 for 15 minutes. So while the potatoes are in the oven, we're going to prep our asparagus. You can use as little or as much as you'd like. And we're just going to go ahead and break off the bottom tips of the asparagus. Next, we're going to prepare the seasoning mixture that we'll be pouring over our salmon and our asparagus. Starting with a 1/4 cup of melted butter, we're going to add our garlic, then the Italian seasoning, then the all-purpose seasoning salt, and last is the lemon juice. Then give this a stir, making sure it's all mixed together. Once the potatoes are done, we're going to pull that out the oven, add our salmon, and line our asparagus. Then the mixture that we just made, we're going to pour it across both the salmon and the asparagus. We want to make sure that the salmon is completely covered in the seasoning. Then we're going to give the asparagus a quick toss, making sure that it's evenly coated in the seasoning. Then we're going to return the pan to the oven, baking at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fish. And with this being a one-pot recipe, you can now serve your side, your veggies, and your protein with minimal cleanup. Alright guys, that's a wrap on this recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you'd like to see more fish and meat dishes just like this one, head on over to my channel and get the latest videos. Until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen.